In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create professional GitHub Readme profile. We'll use a quick AI assist to draft a clean markdown template, then set it up on GitHub so it shows up beautifully. First, open your browser and head to ChatGPT. In the message box, type a clear prompt asking for a professional, basic GitHub profile, README written in Markdown. For example, ask for sections like a short introduction, skills or tech stack, a project's highlight, ways to connect, and a footer. Keep the tone professional but friendly, and make sure it uses simple markdown headings, lists, and links. Send your prompt, then wait for the AI to generate the content. When the result appears, skim it and make small edits directly in the chat if needed. You can ask it to simplify language, shorten sections, or add placeholders you'll fill in later. Avoid including any personal sensitive details. Keep things high-level and professional. With your draft ready, switch to GitHub in your browser and open the repository where you want to add the profile, README. At the top, choose Add File, then select Create New File. In the file name field, type README.md exactly. This name tells GitHub to render the content on the repository's main page. Click into the large editor area. Bring the markdown you generated and place it here. Replace any placeholders with your real details, but keep privacy in mind. If the template includes lines like language, e.g. Python, JavaScript, update them with the technologies you're comfortable showcasing. Make sure headings use the # style, links are in standard markdown format, and images or badges point to valid URLs. If you prefer a minimal look, trim any sections you don't need. If you want more, you can ask the AI for an About Me paragraph or a concise list of current goals and then paste that in. The goal is clarity, scannability, and a consistent tone. When you're happy with the content, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Add a short, descriptive message, like Add Professional Profile README. Keep the default option to commit directly to the main branch, then confirm by clicking Commit Changes again. After it saves, you'll see the README displayed on the repository's home page. Give it a quick read to verify formatting, headings, and links. That's it. You used AI to draft a professional markdown README and published it on GitHub quickly and cleanly. Feel free to revisit and refine it